kids' participation level has really increased throughout the years. Kasi I remember the very first Iron Kids we had in Camsur, it was just about 50 or 60 participants. Now we average
Across
around
all categories.
that's for all the categories already. Now we average around 200 participants per race, and we don't even have to do much promotion for that. They already know, so I'm very happy about that fact.
For this year, how many participants?
For this one, we had 162, but we have numbers that are higher normally for the aquathlon events because this is a triathlon. So the aquathlon events, sometimes we reach up to 300 sometimes because it's swim plus run only. So sometimes, if you remove one sport, then more people can participate. Yeah.
Is there a way, do we have we reached like Olympic level soon, or did we ever reach parang international competitions triathlon?
So we're very happy that because of the Iron Kids program, a lot of the graduates have actually continued on to be part of the national triathlon team. I'm part of the national triathlon team coaching staff as well, as part of Alaska coaching staff. But because of the Iron Kids program, we have seen that the talent pool is much deeper now as opposed to before, wherein malalaki yung gaps and then we would have nobody after this person. The next person would be like 3 years, 5 years. Now within one age group, we have 5 to 10 talents at least, and
So there's more competition.
yeah, exactly. So, going back to your question, the national team right now, we are aiming for Tokyo 2020. As you know, we already won 2 gold medals in the SEA Games. So the national team right now, we sincerely believe can join the Olympics.
Great.
Looking at how competitive the mga bata, do you see yung future nila a future triathlete abroad? As in talagang
International level. Yes. When you say Olympics, that's the highest, right? So I honestly believe that this crop of athletes, they're already highly skilled, very technical na yung knowledge nila in swimming, biking, and running. If we keep training them properly and with the correct support and coaching, they can definitely do it.
Is there a story like someone is a triathlete and then they started to specialize only in swimming na lang or biking, and then they made a name for themselves by specializing only in one instead of the 3? May ganong story
It's
kaya?
actually the reverse.
Baliktad.
It's actually opposite. Most of the triathletes start with one sport only. Most of the triathletes start with swimming. Some come from cycling or running backgrounds. But most of the kids we have come from the swim teams. And then they go into triathlon. So it's actually the opposite. They start
level
with
up.
one sport and then go into triathlon.
What's the biggest challenge in mounting this kind of big event?
Well, it's a kids race. The challenge is to make it both fun for them and competitive at the same time and challenging. And also the other side of it is the safety factor. Siyempre, may bike, may swim. You have to monitor everyone in the water that everyone is safe. And sa bike, we have had experiences before that some have crashed. We can't really help some of that happening. But yeah, the safety issue is always a priority in the races like this.
Congratulations. We now move on. Girls 11 to 12 years old.
Okay.
What's different from the previous Iron Kids from
You know what? I think in general, the parents have kind of learned to appreciate more and are more positive in the sense that mas relax sila. Dati, sobra silang, stage parents. But now, I think there's more trust in the organization, number 1. And number 2, in their children. Because they can see that the kids can handle themselves on their own.
second place.
And yeah, I think that's the atmosphere. Syempre, is more stressful if the parents are agitated. So now it's a little bit more laid back and relaxed. That
Kasi
they have
it's safe.
exactly.
So, if a parent wants to invite their kids to join the
And coming in at number 1, the 11 to 12 years old, girls category. With a time of 34 minutes and 15 seconds.
Beginners, first of all, you have to learn how to swim. Kasi a lot of the kids, even if they don't train for running, they already know how to run. Everyone knows how to run naturally, right? But yung swimming, you have to really take lessons. So the first step is learn to swim, and then next, you have to swim a bit more regularly with the runs, and then after that, you can start practicing the bike and the run. So one by one.
So you have like a parang kailangan mag-train isang meter, di ba? So do you
Yes.
publish those meters?
We already published those distances on our website, so they know that if they're 6 to 8, they have to finish 100 meters.
So yung iba dito na nag-run today, they didn't join the swimming. Meron ba nag-run lang, hindi nag-swimming di
May
kanina?
relay kami.
Ah,
So that's the
pwede.
relay.
Okay.
But most, pinakamarami talaga individual. Konting-konti lang nagre-relay. Ang nakakatawa pa dyan minsan, yung iba, nag-individual, tapos since alam nila later wave yung relay, mag-relay pa ulit sila with their friends.
Pero you mean most of them triathlon talaga lahat? Kaya?
Individual talaga.
So they train talaga before they join?
Yes.
Hindi pwedeng biglang sabak lang. Delikado yun.
Delikado.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.